Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I come back with another video. In this video you will get 35 plus paid Udemy courses for free with certification. Before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming video. Also join my Telegram group for daily course update. In previous video I have given Amazon off-campus recommend 2021. If you haven't watched that video, then I will recommend you to watch it. The link will be given in the description. So let's get started. The first course is the complete introduction to C++ programming. In this course, you will learn how to use C++ in right way, understand complex C++ function, learn different tips and tricks to improve your C++ skills, create your own basic program with C++, be able to use C++ on daily basis, learn at your own rhythm with different practical exercises at each class. This course will find on-demand video, full lifetime access, extra mobility and certification completion. The next course is the complete iOS web developer. In this course, you will learn how to make online games and app for iOS like Pokemon, Twitter, WhatsApp, CoreML. This course is 16 on-demand video, 3 articles, 13 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is the complete HTML and CSS Bootcamp 2021 0 to Hero HTML and CSS. In this course, you will learn real-world skills to build real-world website, professional, beautiful, and truly responsive website. A huge project will be teach for everything you need to know about. Start with HTML5 and CSS3. HTML5 is semantic layout and CSS fundamental. Create our own web page for interacting exiting page. Get helpful support in the course by question and answer. Downloadable lectures code and design asset for the entire project. Simple to use web design guidelines and tips to make your website stand out from the crowd. Get maximum preparation of real life web designing. Obtain the skills that are necessary to land a job as well as web developer. Get helpful support in question and answer. This course includes 5 on-demand video, 1 article, 27 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV solution completion. The next course is SQL CRUD operation with PostgreSQL. In this course, learn the performance of CRUD operation using PostgreSQL. This course will 2.5 on-demand video, 1 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, extra mobile ID, and certification completion. The next course is SQL Server Database Engine for beginner. In this course, you will learn installing SQL Server Management Studio, connecting to database engine, writing transact, create a database, create a table, insert row in table, create query, updating database record, delete rows, truncate table, drop database, exploit basic navigation in database engine, tuning advisor, tuning a workload, viewing tuning recommendation, viewing turning reports. This course will do around demand video to downloadable resources, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Python complete course for beginner. In this course, you will learn getting started variables, values, and data types, operators, operands, function calls. Write a script to general productivity tasks, read and complete Python code, gain knowledge in regard to general programming concepts. Use variable to store, retrieve, and calculate information. Data types conversion, function, statement, and explanation. This course is 5.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is cloud computing versus on-premises infrastructure solution. In this course, you will learn an overview of different types of IT infrastructure, allocation resources using public and private cloud service as well as some information on cloud networking, how to connect on-premises and cloud most of each other, overview of service level agreement and how they work in related to the premises, cloud and hybrid solution. A comparison of the different cost of expect when choosing an infrastructure solution, an overview of licensing and data backups. This course is 30 minutes on demand, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is learn C++ programming step by step from beginner to ultimate level. In this course, you will learn to program one of the most powerful programming language C++, learn the concept of programming C++, object-oriented programming, learn C++ using curriculum that covers C++ material to most of university course, be positioned to apply jobs requiring code, C++ knowledge. You will learn data structure concept, function overloading function, passing variables to function, etc. You will be test your knowledge and expertise with exercise, how to work with file, FSIM, library, operation, arithmetics, assignment, logical, bitwise condition like if, else, switch arrays, etc. You will be able to include quizzes, live coding exercise, challenges code, exercise and assignment, etc. These courses will be led by 5 on-demand, to article, full lifetime access mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Mr. Robot TV show in real life cybersecurity. In this course, you will know what is deep web, what is dark web, what is Tor, and how it works. Deploys of simple Tor website, MIMTM attacks, package typing works, what is DOS attack and how it works, botnet, common DOS attack, top DOS tools, and how to prevent such attack. This course is 6 hours on demand video, 28 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV, and certification commission. The next course is Microsoft Project 2060 Essential and Advanced. In this course, you will learn after the end of the course, you will be able to do MS Project 2060 efficiently. This course is 6.5 hour on demand video, 2 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV, and certification commission. The next course is the Complete SQL Bootcamp 2021 from 0 to Hero. In this course, you will create your own database or interact with existing database, answer company performance upsell by using data, model real-world data and generate reports using SQL, use SQL query database, replicate real-world situation and query report, write a complex SQL query across multiple tables, the freedom to query anything you like to in a database, tons of access, you will solidify your knowledge to maximize get a preparation, real-life database management to obtain the skills that are required to land a job as a SQL developer. This course is 9 on-demand 14 articles, 23 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV, and certification commission. The next course is SQL Master SQL for Data Analysis. In this course, you will learn knowledge of essential SQL command, become proficient in SQL tools like group, by, join, and subquery, become competent in sorting and filtering command in SQL, master SQL, the most popular string, mathematical and date and time function, enhancing performance of a database by use and indexes, increase our efficiency by learning the best practice with writing SQL query, relevant theory concept also covered so that you can excel by job, interviews, and vivas. Solid understanding of SQL. This course includes 7.5 hour on demand video, 4 articles, 15 and downloadable resources, 1 practice test, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV, certification commission. The next course is machine learning and deep learning in Python and R. In this course, we will learn how to solve real-life problems using the machine learning techniques, machine learning models such as linear regression, logistic regression, KNN, etc. Advanced machine learning models such as decision tree, XGBoost, random forest, SVM, etc. Understanding the basic of strategic concept of machine learning, how to do basic statistical operation and then ML models in Python, in-depth knowledge of data collection and data pre-processing for machine learning problem, how to convert business problem into machine learning problem. These courses in 35 hours on-demand video, 4 articles, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV, certification completion. The next course is mobile app marketing for absolute beginners. In this course, we will learn to create mobile app user based on spending very little money, or learn how to create virality in a mobile app, learn how to optimize app to make search engine friendly, how to use Facebook, Twitter, YouTube for app marketing purpose, learn how to generate hook audience through effective email marketing, learn how effectively you push your notification for app engagement. This course is 1 hour on demand over 50 articles, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV, certification completion. The next course is Microsoft Excel function, formula analysis and dashboard. In this course, you will learn basic like cells, rows and columns, adding, deleting rows and columns, cell formats, basic mathematical function, keyboard shortcut, data cleaning, data analysis, dashboard. Learn everything you need to start working on Excel. This course is 5.5 hour on demand without 20 devices, full lifetime access mobile and TV, certification completion. The next course is business course in preparation for MBA entry. In this course, you will learn business preparation for MBA, business impact of COVID-19, MBA mindset and business fundamental, external impact of internal. This course is 21 hour on demand video, 20 and downloadable versus full lifetime access mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Canvas Flat Design Masterclass Guide to Flat Design Canvas in Canvas. In this course, you will learn how to compose image beautifully in flat design in Canvas. You will know how to flat design in Canvas truly works, so you can make better. You will illustrate this course is taught in English. This course is 6.5 hour new video, 3 articles, 15 downloadable full lifetime access on mobile and TV, assignment and certification completion. The next course is Psychology of Image, 5x your profit by image that engage. In this course, you will learn how to train a professional graphic designer, how to make image in minutes instead of hours, how to make vector image, how to be funky, different types of image. This course is 1.5 hour new video, but downloadable is a full lifetime access on mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Photoshop Advanced course for learner. In this course, you will learn advanced skills in Photoshop. This course will be 1 hour on full one downloadable is full lifetime access on mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Passive Income Forget Dropship Learn Drop Service 10x. In this course, you will learn passive income start dropshipping service at zero budget, 10x more profitable up to dropshipping for passive income. This course is 5 hour on 4 article full lifetime access mobile and TV and certification commission. The next course is Logistic and Offshore Shipping in Supply Chain Management. In this course, you will learn the export and import by container, its logistic movement of inventory by CE, logistics, supply chain, and shipping. This course is 2.5 hour video, 1 article, 21 downloadable full lifetime access mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Time Management and Goal Planning, the Productivity Combo. In this course, you will learn how to master your time, changing your mindset and focusing on your high value action that will lead to create a long term success, how to prioritize and do only the work that's better, how to create success based routine each step, powerful time management techniques to stop procrastinating and get your daily tasks done, see how to set daily, weekly and monthly action plan for short term goal to achieve desired successfully, how to create a concrete and strategic goal settings plan based on your personal and professional long term goal. How to create a bad habit that you hold fall back from maximum result. How to boost up productivity using the most effective time management strategy and much more about time management. This course will be 1 hour video, 1 article, full lifetime access on mobile and TV and certification commission. The next course is Learn 4 steps to make money online with affiliate marketing. In this course, you will learn 4 steps took me to complete beginner to making life-changing income online. This course will 3.5 hour video, 1 article, full lifetime access on mobile and TV and certification commission. The next course is how to easily start an export business online any country. In this course, you will learn secret of starting highly profitable online export business, how to create online export showroom of your product and service, how to create range of products from selling online, how to target overseas online customer. This course is 3 hour on demand video, 22 article, full lifetime access mobile and TV and certification commission. The next course is Personal Capital Free Finance Planner application. In this course, you will learn what is personal capital software is and how to be used, how personal capital software numbers, other accounting and finance management software, how to access and set up a free software, how to use financial data to create an income statement, the benefit to have net worth of balance sheet in one location, how to access an investment tool and analysis, how to use financial planning tools like a retirement planner, how to use home appraisal tools, how to add non-financial institute asset and liabilities to make the net worth to balance sheets and more complete. This course is for the on-demand full lifetime access mobile and TV and certification commission. The next course is Zero Job Costing Project. In this course, you will learn how to set up job costing system using Zero, how to enter job or project estimate, how to create job or project, how to build job or project, how to set a two-side or double-side item, how to apply material on job or project, how to apply direct labor or job or project, how to apply overhead on jobs or projects, how to create invoice from actual cost, how to create invoice from an estimate. These courses are 5.5 only one video, 2 articles, 2 downloadable sources, full lifetime access mobile and TV certification completion. The next course is Cost Volume Profit Analysis (CP) Managerial Accounting. In this course, you will learn how to use CVP managerial accounting and cost accounting concept, how to categorize cost by viewer, how to prepare a contour margin income statement, how to calculate contribution margin until the contribution margin and contribution margin ratio, how to calculate the break-even point and margin of safety, how to forecast using CVP, how to calculate operating leverage. This course in 22 hours on demand view 16 hour levels is full left access, Excel, mobile and TV, assignment and certification completion. The next course is process costing system, cost accounting, managerial accounting. In this course, you will learn processing costing system, monetary accounting for cost accounting include equivalent unit calculation and journal entries. This course is 8 hour on demand video, 24 downloadable versus full lifetime access, Excel, mobile and TV, assignment and certification completion. The next course is flexible budget, standard cost, and variance analysis. In this course, we will managerial and cost accounting to describe general manager accounting topics, prepare and explain a flexible budget, define and describe standard cost and cost variance analysis, describe the BNet of overhead variance analysis and how to use it. This course is 8 hour on demand video, 28 downloadable devices, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, assignment and certification completion. The next course is master budget, managerial accounting, cost accounting. In this course, you will learn master budget component in order to master budget and example of each part including budgeting, finance statement. This course is 24 minutes on demand video, 64 downloadable, full lifetime access, Excel, mobile and TV, assignment and certification completion. The next course is responsibility, accounting and performance measurement. In this course, you will learn managerial accounting first step, responsibility accounting system and how to can improve the performance, how to define and apply direct and indirect expense, how to allocate indirect expense using different activity basic step to create departmental income statement, how to put together a forecasted departmental income statement, how to calculate ROI. This course is 7.5 hour on demand video, 28 downloadable full lifetime access, Excel, mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Bank, QuickBooks, Airline, Xero, Sage, Web. In this course, you will learn set up popular accounting software, navigate popular accounting software, enter the normal business transaction into popular accounting software, reconcile bank account using popular accounting software, generate an analysis report including balance sheet and income statement and supporting report, export reports to Excel. This course is 25 hours on demand video, 8 article, 8 downloadable versus full lifetime access, Excel, mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is managerial accounting, cost accounting. In this course, you will learn how to order job costing system work at a place, different type of use of it, how to process costing system works and what type of business would be cost volume profit analysis and how to CVP tools used to make business decision rationally, how to construct a master budget, how to construct a flexible budget and use to make rational decision, how to use responsibility accounting to hold different areas to business accountable in a rational way, real and cost analysis that took at place rational business decision, time value of money techniques and help to make decision about long-term projects. This course took 53.5 hour on demand video, 192 downloadable full lifetime access, Excel, mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Melt and Pure Shop Making Home Business Marketing Starter Kit. In this course, you will learn how to do marketing for a Melt and Pure Shop Making Home Business. This course is 4 hour on demand video, 4 article, 8 downloadable full lifetime access, Excel, mobile and TV, assignment and certification completion. All the course links are given in the description. Enroll all these courses as soon as possible before the coupon code expires. If you have any doubt and query, then comment below. Share this video to friends and family members because they can also get the benefit of the course. Thank you.